Alright, so we're getting back into the ACT prep class that we've been going through. This is the math portion again, and we're given this problem. It asks, students studying motion observed a cart rolling at a constant rate along a straight line. The table below has the distance and the time from what they charted. It's for a cart, and it's in reference to 1 second intervals. For the first 5 seconds, it gives the distance that was measured at each of those time intervals. And we're asked to find the relationship between distance and time in terms of d and t. So here we are, and we say, I've already copied over the time and distance so we can have something we can jot down some other numbers on. So I'm going to say we do a delta d, and for those that aren't aware of what I'm talking about there, that is the change in distance, and it's going to be again the same time as what we have above. So this is the way that I would solve it. So we're starting at 14 feet. In the first second we go from 20 to 14, and so that is 6 feet that we traveled in that first second. In the second we travel another 6 feet. That's 26 minus 20. And then we go 6 feet again, 6 feet again, and 6 feet again. Now there's a chance that it would have gone a different distance in each of those time intervals if we had some sort of t squared going on for time, but as we see, we have just plain old number versus number multiplied by time. So we didn't have anything different, but we always want to check that. So we started off with 14 feet. So D starts off at 14. And then we add to it every second 6 feet. So 6 feet times the time. And so we come over here and we say, which of those is what we're talking about? And it is C. And then if you wanted to go ahead and check any of this, let's say you weren't 100% certain on how to come up with it, but you have all these A, B, C, D, E answers over here, you could say, we'll check it. So let's try A. D, this is A option. D is equal to T plus 14. Plus 14. You know, I'm trying to write. And at 0 seconds, it works. At D, at time equals 0. Let's try at D for time equals 1. We'll have 1 for T plus 14. That's 15. Did we have 15? No, we had 20. So we could have marked out A. And you could do that for B, C, D, and E until you found one that worked for each time interval. So that's a couple different ways you could solve this type problem on the ACT exam. If this information was helpful, please go ahead and click like and subscribe. And if you have any further questions or if you have a problem that you'd like worked, go ahead and put that in the comments below and I'll try my best to get to it.